Hey, what's up? It's Tom. Yes, I've had a haircut and welcome to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out a few products by Syncwire. Syncwire have sent me 3 products to test. Includes this handy carry case for your electronics and cables and things. Includes a USB-C to USB 3 cable, as well as a handy cable tidy, cable clip. So in this video, we're going to be checking out the case. So, the Syncwire travel accessory case can be used for a number of things. So it actually says it's designed to keep your electronics and cosmetic accessories well organized within one bag. It's made of premium EVA and oxide fabric, and it protects your valuables from rain, dust and sudden falls. It's got a user-friendly interior design, easily organize all your accessories, and they maximize interior space with 4 separate Velcro strips to organize your charging cables. And it's easy to carry, lightweight, perfect to put into your travel bag. Now, I've been searching for a case like that for quite some time now, simply because I have my everyday work backpack. Cables are all over the place and sometimes it's difficult to find them. And something like this is the ideal addition. When you start traveling abroad, having everything in one place, all organized, is absolutely perfect. Especially for when you only have hand luggage and you need to go through security. So yeah, let's have a look what's inside of this box. Now I must admit as well, the packaging on this is very nice. It looks like a premium product already. Let me unpack it. But that's the box empty there. So this is what the case looks like. You've got a nice handy carrying handle. When I first saw the item, I thought it was going to be slightly bigger because the picture itself does make it seem pretty big. However, that's with all photos online, you can't really tell the actual size of a product, and I'm actually extremely happy that it's not big because it's just perfect size wise. So inside the case, you get some gel. Obviously that's not going to, but you also have some handy Velcro straps, which will help you organize your cables a little bit better. You also have some documentation. So you've got a user guide and your warranty card, as well as one of these hooky thingies. I can't remember the name of this hooky thingy from the top of my head, but if you know what it's called, let us know in the comments. So I would imagine you could put that anywhere, and keyring is just a nice little addition. Looking at the actual case itself, you have a mesh line pocket here for bigger devices. So that, for example, could be a space for, I don't know, a PSP if you still use one of those. A perfect space for a power bank, the larger one. Then you have another mesh pocket here. Perfect for SD cards, maybe smaller power banks, or little tiny accessories. And then you've got what looks to be a much nicer padded pocket here. Now in here I'll put something like, I don't know, maybe once again a power bank, a portable hard drive, anything like that really. I mean, to be honest, all in all, this has so much potential. You could do so many things in here. You could put your GoPro, you could put a camera, your camera recorder, if you're using those. The possibilities with this are just endless. Now I'm going to go away and test this product for around a week and use it in my daily life and let you know what you think. So I've been using this case for around a week now, and I must admit I'm extremely happy with this. I mean, the thing is, you know, in the past what I've been doing is with cables and all that and little accessories, gadgets, hard drives, SSDs and that type of stuff, I've just had them in little pockets in my bag wherever possible. And the truth of the matter is, sometimes when you need more than one item, it's just difficult and it takes time as well to get all of those items out of your bag at the same time. And for you to understand my point a little bit more, I'm an IT technician, so what I do is sometimes I go to certain rooms, offices, that type of stuff, and I need certain cables to diagnose problems, and this is ideal. All I have to do is take one item out and just have everything in one place with me all the time. The truth of the matter is that this case has an unlimited amount of uses. I've been taking it on my cycling trips. Yes, I'm a cyclist. It's just something I do for a hobby. But it's perfect to carry around a power bank. It's perfect to carry around a second camera, you know, a helmet cam, that type of stuff, and all the cables with it. At present, this is what it looks like. So I've got a basic 8GB USB drive by Goodram. I've got a USB headset here. Sorry, I've got a in-ear headset. I've got a cable for my power bank. I've got the Syncwire USB A to USB-C cable, as well as a basic Unitech USB 3, I think it is, hub there, and a power bank. But the thing is, this has a limited amount of uses. I mean, you can use it as a pencil case as well. Have your little notebook in there. In terms of the quality of this, the logo, I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but the logo is sort of, well, it's not flat, if you know what I mean. You can feel all the letters, and none of the letters have rubbed off within a week of using it, which suggests that the quality of this is extremely good. It's very useful as well to have this. I don't know the technical term for one of these. If you know the technical terms for this, let us know down in the comments. But this has proved to be extremely useful, especially for cycling, because if it doesn't fit in my bag, say if I carry an extra water bottle in my bag or something like that, and if it doesn't fit, I could just literally stick it on any part of my bag, which is pretty useful. I don't recommend doing that unless it's properly secured though, which in my case it was, because my bag has specific straps for things like that. But yeah, the fact that it has a handle is also pretty good. You can just carry it around very easily. So overall, in terms of the quality, I will definitely give it a 10 out of 10. In terms of the style and the design of this, once again, that will definitely be a 10 out of 10, and the reason for that is because it feels nice. It feels like a premium product. I mean, you know, these types of things, you can get some at a similar price range which just feel extremely cheap. I know I had one in the past a few years ago where I spent about £20 on that, and it didn't last me very long. And to be fair, the material, and you could feel it was cheap, but this is very good quality. In terms of the overall durability of this, I will definitely give it an 8, and the reason I'm giving it an 8 in terms of durability is that little mark there, which I'm sure is because of the way I stored it. In terms of the accessories included with this, it's definitely a 7, and the reason for that is what I think would be extremely useful is if the case itself had an option to customize it. So for example, if you could change the way the compartments live and all that. So for example, if say I've got a little compact camera, I could put like a little thing here to secure the compact camera, if you know what I mean, and I could put another sort of compartment in. That would be pretty useful, but it doesn't, you know, it doesn't make a big difference, to be fair. I suppose if this was bigger, then that would be essential. So, would I recommend this product to you? Yes, I would. I would definitely recommend this. I would recommend it for anyone, and for any use. This thing has multiple uses, like I've already mentioned, and it's just a great product. I mean, there's not much I could say more about this. So yeah, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Till next time.